We're gonna be making our seasoning from scratch. And we're gonna be using this thing right here to do it. This is called a microplane. The easier name for it though, or the more common name for it is called a zester. And lemon zest is going to be the main ingredient and the source that is going to give us all of that delicious lemon that we've been looking for in a lemon pepper recipe. First ingredient, lemon. We're going to take the zest of one whole lemon. What you want to do is take the back side, the rounded side of this thing, and just drag it back and forth across the surface of the lemon. Don't put any pressure on it at all, because there's a white layer right underneath that yellow skin that is very, very bitter. It's called the pith, P-I-T-H. And if you get any of that into your lemon zest and onto your wings, they are ruined. It's very, very bitter, and there's nothing you can do. So take your zest, just like I'm doing here, 2 fingers if you want to, and you just want to rub it across there. You're only going to get a couple of turns each before you start to see some white. And every time you start to see a little white, move to another section. Tablespoon and a half of kosher salt. 1 tablespoon and a half of coarse black pepper. Coarse black pepper. You need to get some, you need to buy some coarse black pepper. It comes already in a grinder. You can buy those at the store, but that's very important for this recipe. We're making literal lemon pepper wings. So coarse black pepper. Of course, our lemon zest needs to go in there as well. It's very fluffy and very sticky, and that's what's going to make it stay on our wings. So get as much of it as I can off of there. But there are oils in this that's going to make it. It's very fluffy, and there are oils in that lemon rind that's going to make it stick to our wings, and it's going to really, if I do this right, guys, really going to make this whole thing pop. So let's get that mixed up. Then I need about a tablespoon of oil, which I'm going to guesstimate at. Here's my drums and flats, and the next step is to toss these drums and flats in this mixture. So let's get them in a bowl. I knew that lemon wasn't going to make a whole lot of zest, but I thought it would make more than that, I got to be honest. But it's very strong according to everything I've read about this recipe, and I think it's going to make a big difference. I can't see it on the wings, and apparently it's so strong, and the oil that it has oils in there, that what we're seeing here is going to be enough. All right, let's get them on. Now, normally, I wouldn't even go back and check regular chicken wings for about 15-20 minutes. But like I was saying, this lemon zest is very delicate and burns pretty easy. That, you know, you don't want those oils in that zest to start burning. So where I would come back, you know, 15-20 minutes later to check whole wings, I'm going to be doing these. I'm going to be looking at these and flipping them every 10 minutes or so to make sure that the lemon zest does not burn. In the meantime, though, I'm going to go get the rest of those wings that I left uncut and just try to get them on there behind those lemon pepper wings. Boy, that was a quick 10 minutes. It's time for the first turn. We're going to be doing this every 10 minutes till they get done. So let's get it. Now, you probably noticed that I moved these to the back. I had them up here, but I'm really worried about that lemon zest. All I got on those whole wings is some chupacabra rub. Pretty nice rub, man. Very popular among the barbecue creators, especially. These wings are gonna have to, as we used to say in the military, make your buddy smile. That means get in real close. Hit them one more time with the chupacabra. Get my lid out of the way there. All right, it's been another 10 minutes, y'all. So I'm getting ready to take another look at the my lemon pepper wings and flip them again. I won't bring you back for the rest of those. We'll just keep flipping. So I can tell that these wings are about ready to come off, but I'm going to leave them there just long enough for me to go ahead and make this glaze that we're going to toss in there. So let's get into that. So the recipe for the glaze: 1/4 of a stick of butter, the juice of half a lemon, and about a tablespoon and a half or so of garlic powder. I'm literally going to take the wings straight off the grill and straight into this sauce. And we're just going to get tossed around. We're also going to put a little more zest in here, man, to finish them off. That's once I get done tossing them. That's going to be the very last thing we do. I love the color, man. I love the color. I think these boys are going to be right. Now let's get them all coated. As long as you don't go into that pith, the white stuff, you're good. That gives us a little bit more. Very sticky, man. All right, let's see what I'm working with here. I don't know what to expect, man. That's very good. There's one thing I forgot to do, and I'm going to do it right now. The recipe calls for me to hit it one more time with that black pepper. But the lemon is there. Very good, very good. And I'm not getting any of the super salty taste you get with lemon pepper seasoning. This tastes like lemon and pepper. Toss it around. Hit it again. Yeah, man, that's good. That's good. You could even take your favorite lemon pepper seasoning and put a really, really light coating on it. If you wanted to, just for a little more pop. But this is nice. This is more lemon flavor than I've had on any of the lemon pepper seasoning, lemon pepper wings that I've done. I'll tell you something that I've been doing before I came but learned about this. I have been brining my wings in lemon juice, the real lemon juice, and that does give it a nice undercoat of lemon flavor that you can really taste through the seasonings, whatever seasonings you put on it. But this tastes different, man. This tastes different. This is lemon. You're getting your lemon from the actual lemon. If that makes sense. Now, I do wonder what it would be like if I did the brine and did this, but there's really no need. It's good, man. It's good. All right, we'll see you next time on Ron on the Grill.